going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom back in the building, back with another review for you guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the new Nike Jordan 1 A Ma Maniére. Let's get into it. First, we got this nice box we're going to talk about. It comes with this plastic A Ma Maniére label going around the box. Let's take it out. See the details on this. Got the AM going around for A Ma Maniére. Nice touch to the box. And we got this nice box that's I would say like a cream looking color. Got your like a wine Nike sign in the front with your check. You got your A for A Ma Maniére on the side. And you got your Jordan symbol with A Ma Maniére. And then we got the front of the box that got the tag that says Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP, and the colorway is Sail, Burgundy, and Burgundy Crush. US 6, men's size 6. Like that. All right, let's get into the box. Inside the box. Okay, first you take it off. You take out the top. You got your Jordan symbol, well, Jordan right there. Say A Ma Maniére, Jordan, and the A for the collaboration. You got the same kind of paper on the inside that's on that little plastic box that the box is wrapped around. And then we're gonna open it up, and we have these beauties right here. The Air Jordan 1 collab with A Ma Maniére. Man, let me do a 360 view before I even get. All right, let's get into it. Here we go. We got a sail, like a aged, I would say like a cream. It's trying to be like a vintage color going around the shoe, around the toe of the shoe. And you got a crinkle, or not crinkle, a crackled leather. The sail going around the shoe that's pretty different. You don't never really see this. The only shoe I had seen this on before was the Jordan 4 Taupe Haze, and they had a similar kind of leather going around it. Like, it looks very crackled. Let me put it up close so y'all can see that. You got your wine burgundy shoelaces. As you can see, it comes with an extra set of laces that's I'll say an off-white cream looking color, and they had a nice little touch with the silver on the end of the shoelace. You got your A Ma Maniére symbol with Nike Air on the tongue. You had this nice quilted wine on the insoles. I mean, around the ankle of the shoe. Look, it looks quilted. I don't know if you can see that. Inside, you got the, it says Airness by A Ma Maniére for Air Jordan, which is a nice touch. Try to put that up, see if y'all can see that. All right, the bottom of the shoe is the wine, dark wine color. You got your Air Jordan symbol right here, that's wine. Also on the inside of the shoe, or the inside of these little flaps, the inside of this flap says, you have to expect things of yourself before you can do them. And then they got Michael Jordan's signature. I don't know if y'all can see that. I put that up close. The other side doesn't have anything, but then you had this wine type of, I don't know if it's like a print, like animal type print, but it's a different kind of texture going on right there. Put that up close so y'all can see that. But yeah, this is a nice shoe. Everybody have mixed reviews on this, so I had to get them for myself to make my own opinion, and I like them. I mean, I know y'all might be like, well, you say you like every shoe, but this shoe, I like it. I like shoes that's different. Everybody comparing it to the other collaboration they had with the Air Jordan 3, and everybody saying that's for shoe of the year. So they said that this one doesn't compare to the Air Jordan 3. But to me, I like this one. I didn't have an Air Jordan 3. I'm not a fan of 3s. I mean, to each his own, but I like 1s better than 3s. So I had to get the 1. So yeah, let's get to the right shoe. That was the left shoe. It looked the same way. You got your crinkled cream off-white leather going around the shoe. Also with your wine shoelaces. As you can see, the same thing on the tongue, Nike Air A Ma Maniére. You got your wine Nike check with the textured leather going on in there. You got your aged bottom, there's look like a, it kind of look like a light pink to me. It does, but I know this says like an off-white material, but it looks kind of like a light pink. Also, you have a little tag on it. They got an A, which is nice for A Ma Maniére. And then you flip it on the other side, and then it has the Air Jordan symbol. Nice touch. And then the same quilted wine material going on inside the shoe with the A Ma Maniére symbol on the inside. But yeah, these was a nice collaboration they had. James Whitner, as you know, is the owner, creator of A Ma Maniére. And he had, you know, after you listen to his story, you actually understand why he went with this type of leather for the shoe. So I can appreciate this, all the work they put into this shoe now that I have heard his story. If you haven't, go check it out. I know it's on YouTube or everywhere. There's the James Whitner story on why he created this type of shoe. And yeah, I like them. I mean, I don't have no complaints. I know everybody's trying to also compare them to the Jordan 1 Bordeaux's that came out. I can't say mine haven't came in yet, and it's been 2 weeks, so we'll compare them when those come in. But yeah, as of now, these right here are the ones, Jordan 1s of the year for me, so I like them. So this is a nice shoe, nice collaboration. They retail for $200, but I can understand why after looking at these all these different leathers and the quality of the shoe. Yeah, it was actually worth it. So yeah, but y'all let me know down in the comments below, did y'all try to go for this shoe? Was you able to hit on sneakers, or was you able to get them on the A Ma Maniére site? That's where I got mine off of. I was lucky enough to hit on their site. So y'all let me know, would these be a cop, or did you pass on them? Let me know. But yeah, this is all I have for this review for today. Your Air Jordan 1 A Ma Maniére collaboration. Nice shoe. Hey, but this, as we have always said before, please like and subscribe. Continue to join your girl on this shoe journey. And until the next time, it's your girl, Sneaker Mom. Peace.